Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Cobra Pose, or in Sanskrit it is known as Bhujangasana. Cobra Pose provides a wonderful stretch for the back. It is a back bend, which provides a nice lengthening for the front of the spine and helps to open the heart and take away any rounding out of the back and shoulders in your day-to-day posture. To get started, lay on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders. Bring your big toes together to touch behind you, or if that's not accessible, just be sure your feet are not wider than your hips. This will create your cobra tail for the pose. Bring your forehead toward the floor so you are looking down and the back of your neck is straight. Be sure that your elbows are squeezing into your side body so that they are pointed more back than out to the side. We're going to start with baby cobra first to warm up for our lifted cobra. When practicing on your own, you may do it in this order, or just take what you learn from this video and apply it as you see fit. For baby cobra, begin to lift your chest up a few inches off of the mat. Be sure to keep the tops of your feet rooted and glued to the floor. However, engage your quadriceps that your kneecaps pull up. They may even lift off the floor while keeping your feet down. Think about rooting down through your pubic bone or the front of your pelvis to lift the chest up a bit higher without the support of your hands. You can even lift your palms an inch or two to hover off the mat to ensure that you're engaging the back muscles properly. Keep your chin tucked so that you are looking more down than forward, and continue to squeeze your elbows into your side body as you pull the shoulders back away from the ears to keep a nice long neck. Inhale at the top and use an exhale to release back down to where you started. You can make a pillow with your hands and shake out the hips a bit to relieve any tension in the lower back. For lifted cobra, or a more full expression of cobra pose, you can use the strength and support of your arms to help deepen the back bend. We'll start by returning to that starting position for cobra pose and sliding your hands back just about an inch, but no more than that, keeping that nice long cobra tail. If it feels okay, begin to press up about a third of the way or so to assess how you feel. You can always return to baby cobra if it is too much. You can stay here if it feels good, or you can lift a little higher if you'd like, but don't lift all the way because in this pose we do not want to lock out the arms entirely. That would take you to a different pose called upward facing dog, which is a whole nother video for another day. Instead, in cobra, we want our elbows slightly bent and pointed toward the back of the room. I like to think about using my elbows to pick up my rib cage and lift it up a bit. Keep your legs engaged and the tops of your feet rooted. The most common mistake in cobra pose is the shoulders shrugged up toward the ears. Think about a turtle coming out of its shell as you work on rolling the shoulders back and down to turn to allow the heart to really be able to reach up and forward. Continue to root down through the pubic bone and keep your chin slightly tucked to encourage that length in the back of the neck. Take an inhale at the top and exhale to lengthen back down onto the mat like a wave rolling through your spine. You may like to press back into child's pose when you're ready to counter pose and decompress the lower spine. Take a few breaths to reflect. Slowly return upright when you are ready. I hope this video helped you to understand the mechanics of cobra pose. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.